gentlemen. So we're gonna have a magnificent Monday, April 24. Overall market direction is sideways, and we have one, the first resistance 64, and then it's a little one 64, 67, right? For 3 points above is another resistance here. So we have to be if the price goes up, then we're gonna be watching this 64, 5, 6, 7, this 3 point range. Okay, this is a pretty good resistance. The overall market direction is sideways, so I'm expecting the price to recoil off of these two levels. And the first support is 49. We only have one support for now. There's a couple more, but this is the one that we're gonna start paying attention. Now, the overall market direction is sideways, right? All right, and we have our support, resistance, and then we have no idea what's gonna happen here. Let's go ahead and analyze this way so that we can have an idea as to what the odds are, what the price is going to do at the open. All right, so we know what the overall market direction is, and and this wave right here, right? The high of this wave is this one right here, 57, right? Still 57, and the low of this wave, ladies and gentlemen, is happens to be um 10 points. Okay, it's 47. Oh my God, it's even is is below the low of the channel, right? Isn't that some? Yeah, well, that's right. Okay, so now we know that we have these two resistances, 64, 67, and we know we have the 49 and 47. So we have a 2 point no man's land, 47, 49. So in other words, if the price comes right back down, then 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 we're going to stock this 2 points of support. Alrighty, that's exactly what that means. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's beginning to all right. So we also happen to have a control freak, and that control freak, my friends, is 50. All right, so that's pretty good. We have that information. All right, a clean break of 50, then we know price is gonna have do some shenanigans all the way 49, 47, 3 points only, right? So, but a clean break of 50 to the downside, then chances are that the price is gonna continue going down. It needs to break 50. As long as 50 is not broken, even though the overall market direction is sideways, I'm expecting we have a small bias that the price is going to break this high right here, 57, the high of the wave, and it's gonna be on its way to 64. So we are prepared for both scenarios, pretty much. All right. So now that we know the direction to the upside, now we need to know the first destination target for the downside. Well, it just so happened, ladies and gentlemen, that that's going to be here it is. Is going to be 37. Alrighty, you go ahead and put all those levels, and let's see if we know what we're saying. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it this control freak. It's Monday, so it's 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 gonna be a 2 point. Okay, that we're gonna have to really pay attention. 50, 53. Well, I'm not expecting the price to take this 57 easily or anytime soon. This wave right here is a slightly more bearish. The wave, all right. We are concentrated on this wave right here. This wave is a little bit more bearish than bullish. Longer term, I am expecting a break of 57 and a continuation all the way to 64, and we're gonna have to wait for the open. So a clean break of 57, price will continue going to 64. However, as long as the price is below this 57 right here, right now, then I am expecting a continuation down all the way to 53, shenanigans, break it, down to 50, 50, 49, break it, and then 47. So this is what we're gonna do, right? 53 is not that strong anymore, and neither is 50. Oh, really? Yeah, that's right. Okay, so that means that our forecast that the price is going to go test 53 and break at 50 and 40 and 49 just became a little bit stronger. 49 just because it got a little bit stronger. Alrighty, that's it. Okay. So that's scenario number 2. Scenario number 1 is the one that we've been calling since 9 a.m. since I opened the mic 24 minutes ago. We are in a bearish way, and we are expecting a continuation down all the way to 53, 50, 49, 47. That's what we think the market's gonna do now. Is it gonna do it on a straight line? We all know that that's not the way the market got it, right? So we have to be on the lookout of a bounce off of 53, and some leaping 53, 57, trying to make us believe that it's going to break 57, but the odds are that it's not. And then what is 57? It's resistance, right? We see the recoil right there, and then there's resistance enough, and we would still be expecting the price to pull back all the way back to 53, 50, 49, 47. All right. Okay, and the scenario number 2 is a clean break of 57. We don't want to be short anymore, and then we're gonna be looking to buy, because we know that there is nothing stopping the price on a clean break of 57 to go all the way to 64. That's what we're expecting. So just because 53 got weaker, right, doesn't mean that it's gonna be taken easily. It is still a 3-point range, 50-53, that is going to decide the trend. So that's 53 to the tick.
Yep, and now I have another bullish bull there.
Alrighty then. So we can all see the clean break, right, to the upside.
Yep.
At the open. So we were sure the 57 all the way to 53. Price goes to our support. Clean breaks to the upside. We are all long right here, 57, because we believe that the price is going to continue going all the way to 64, right? Is it going to go to 64 on a straight line? Well, that's usually not the way it happens. But we just had confirmation that the main play is long, right? Because we had a clean break of this 57. Look at that, from 53 all the way to 58, right? So now we have this 53 support here that we're gonna continue banging, right, to as support, expecting the price to continue going to 64. How is it gonna do it? Exactly the way it's doing it. We know this. We know that it's not gonna go to 64 in a straight line. Look at that, right? Okay. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we need to look at, right? Price goes all the way, right? 60, sure, 57, 58, 59, 60. But hold on a second, right? Look at that. Look at that strong pullback, right? That strong pullback. Just, not as strong as the clean break. Still, it's right? A lot of traders don't trade the open, right? So as long as the price holds our 53 right here, we believe that it's going to 64. It's not gonna be easy taking it, but that's where we believe it's going. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so again, it's not gonna be easy, right? Of course, like everything in day trading, but that's what we believe is gonna happen, right? So we were short here 57 all the way to 53. We knew 53 was support. We knew that a clean break of the high, it was going to continue to 64, not in a straight shot. So we waited for the price to pull back, give us a much better risk reward ratio right here, right? 54, 55, and we are expecting a continuation all the way to 64. Test of this 60 right here. It's not going to be easy to break it, but the main play is long to 64, and that's what we are all at right now. And then, ladies and gentlemen, it's Monday, so we're going to pay close attention to the counter trend 64, 67, right? Okay, don't have an automatic limit short 64 because we are too close to the other resistance. It's only 3 points. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So far, so good, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so far so good. Alrighty then. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So as you all know, it's okay to get out one point below our target, 1 point below, 1 point above, right there, right? All right, good. So price goes to 63 quarter. That's 3 ticks to our target 64, right? So why do you think this pullback? Everybody got out. Professional traders, those of us who know exactly how to read the market, we know the importance of 64. And then many traders, they said, you know what? Fear of missing out. I know the price is going to recoil off of 64, and they jump the gun 3 ticks. In the meantime, we have 2 trades. One, the short that we took at the open that gave us 7 points, 5 points, and then the long, the breakout 57, and the add to a winner here for a much better risk reward ratio, right? And then price goes right back up. We know it's going to go to 64, and we are still expecting a continuation to 64. So we have the bears now trying to take over the action, but we are stop, break even, start trading, right? So so we're good, right? However, we must know that the bears are looking to take control, right? So all right, so stop, break even, start trailing. All right, so we all can see the importance of 64, right? We're trying to get there, but the person, they're not gonna let it. No problem. We're still on our plan. Now, remember, the overall market duration is sideways, which is one of the things that professional day traders must know. Is this going to be a trending day, or is this going to be a choppy day? Is this going to be a rocky day? Is this, what kind of days are we going to have? And remember that we have 2 methodologies here: trend following and momentum, right? So that's why we are scalpers, but our scalps, they last 10, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90 points, right? Remember a couple of months ago? Alrighty, so as we can all see, price goes to our terrific support. Cannot take it. Take advantage. Build back better, right? Because this pullback took some of our trail, but we know that it's not gonna take 57. We know 57. It's a it's a support. It's a good support, right? It's good support, and we also know that it's a um, we also know it's a yeah, good enough to be back better, and we still continue with the plan, expecting the price to continue going up as long as 57 is not clean taken. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to move down the 49. We're going to move it down 1 point to 48. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I believe that's 64 to the tick, isn't it? All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, summary, we were short from 57 to 52, 53. Change hats to bull. We let it right all the way to 64, which was our first target. Target hit to the tick, accomplished. And this is just target one. So let's go ahead and continue playing 2 and 3. So far, this is how the cookie crumbles.